A mental health condition not well known called conduct disorder affects children and teens, and their behavior can be severely disruptive, antisocial, even aggressive. But there's more to it than just that. Tonight, I spoke to two doctors from the UK who are also the lead authors of a new study learning more about this rare disorder.
The prevalence of this disorder worldwide is about 2 to 4%, so it is quite high.
In psychiatry in general, we're still quite far away from using brain scans to actually diagnose people.
Idian Gao, a doctor of psychology, and Marlena Staganis, a PhD psychology researcher, co-led a study on the brain structure of kids with conduct disorder.
We collaborated with more than 104 researchers and combined existing neuroimaging data from research groups across Europe, the US, and Asia, and that basically allowed us to then sort of gain these novel insights and perform the largest study comparing brain structure between more than 1,000 young people with CD and those who did not have CD, a similar sized group.
So what is CD, or conduct disorder? According to the CDC, conduct disorder is diagnosed when children show an ongoing pattern of aggression toward others and serious violations of rules and social norms at home, in school, and with peers. These rule violations may involve breaking the law and result in arrest. But the most challenging part of this disorder? Properly diagnosing it.
There's still a really big misconception that conduct disorder in young people is simply young people behaving badly. They are naughty, they have experienced bad parenting, and it's not a genuine mental health problem. And this is definitely one of the major concerns.
And Dr. Staganis fears many believe conduct disorder cannot be treated.
There's also that sort of lack of awareness generally that might also relate to the fact that there currently is this myth that conduct disorder or any antisocial behavior-related disorders cannot be treated, which also relates to the fact that there's not one specific medication that was developed for conduct disorder as opposed to ADHD.
So by studying conduct disorder through brain scans, these doctors found extensive changes in their brain structure, with new brain areas now associated with this disorder.
They went beyond the regions that we typically associate with antisocial behavior, such as the subcortical region of the amygdala. And this really suggests that there seem to be more global, more widespread differences rather than really focal differences in one or two individual brain regions.
The study also found youth with a more severe form of conduct disorder had a higher number of brain changes, and gender was not a factor.
We found that these brain differences were present across both boys and girls with conduct disorder, which a lot of studies had not looked at, or they had found conflicting findings.
Conduct disorder is often diagnosed between 10 and 16 years old, and boys are diagnosed at an earlier age than girls. And these doctors found understanding brain differences associated with this disorder will help develop more effective approaches to diagnosing the condition and treating it. For more on this disorder, head to our website at abcactionnews.com/mental health.